spanning Nepal and India. The Hnlc National Liberation Council (Hnlc) has withdrawn from tripartite peace talks with the centre and the state, alleging that governments have not addressed their core demands. The chairman cum Commander-in-Chief Bobby Marwin and General Secretary and Publicity Secretary Sankupar Nongtrao jointly wrote to the Union Ministry of Home Affairs announcing the decision. A letter addressed to the centre through A.K. Mishra, Advisor, Ministry of Home Affairs, Northeast, written on December 31st, was released to the media on Wednesday. The delay on the part of the government to address the general demands of the Hnlc is cited as the reason. The Hnlc feared if the general demands are not addressed, their political demands will also be dismissed. The Hnlc in the past had asked for general amnesty and withdrawal of cases of the cadets, which the government is yet to agree.